Good morning. What can I get you?
Hi, is it too late to order breakfast?
No, not at all. We serve breakfast until noon, and we've got a special offer today. Our full English breakfast is just £6.
Oh, I think I'd prefer something lighter. Can I have an omelette, please?
Yes, of course. Would you like it plain or with a filling?
Could you make it with cheese and tomato?
No problem at all. Would you like some toast with that?
Yes, please, and some butter too.
What would you like to drink?
I'd like some coffee, please.
Okay, can I get you anything else?
No, thanks.
Okay, I'll bring your order in a moment.